All right, in the last video, we talked about what Git is, and now we need to get Git, and the puns will just keep rolling in. So I came to this website. You can do a search. Obviously, there's a thing called Google, and you can search for Git download, or you can just navigate to git-scm sourcecontrolmanager.com. And then there's a link here that says downloads. That seems like a good place to go to get Git. Depending on which operating system you're in, you can be in Mac or Windows, and this will work for you either way. I'm currently in Windows, so I'm going to click on the Windows. My download is going, save file, and then once that's downloaded, dee 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 dee. I'm not a good singer, but that was supposed to be the Jeopardy music. And then once that's downloaded, there we go. This video is going to be long, just the waiting game. And then we're going to open up the Git software. And you're going to get a little question. Yes, that's fine. And then I have to keep dragging it into view here. And at this point, I would just accept all of the defaults. You're fine to do that. And then there's a lot of choices there. She said just accept the default. So I'm just going to... You might change Vim to Notepad++. It's a quick editor that will come up automatically if you forget to leave a message on your commit. I don't know what that means. Whatever you just said, just choose Notepad++. Get rid of Vim if that's an option. Anyway, so that would be the only choice I would make along these lines. I'm going to click next, and then from here on out, just accept all of the defaults. You should be fine. And then the Jeopardy music plays, and we are going to wait for it all to install. I think I might put this on pause while I'm waiting. I will be right back. All right, spared you the Jeopardy music. I'm not going to launch Git Bash. I'm not going to view the release notes, so I'm going to unclick all of those and then choose next. And then nothing happens. It just disappears. Did that work? What happened? Uh-oh. So what we can do is, that's normal. Everything's fine. We're going to click on the little search bar in the taskbar. I'm going to type in CMD to pull up the command prompt. I'm going to pull it into view. There we go. And what I'm going to do now is just to make sure that it installed. I didn't get any bells or whistles. My cat just hit the table. That was great. I want you to just type in Git, G-I-T. And if all went well, then you should see a whole bunch of commands. So these are all of the commands that Git can do. I'm not sure what all those means, but I'm sure I will get it soon enough. And these are some that git commit, init we'll play with, clone we'll play with, right away, commit. There's lots of really cool ones here, pull, push. So we'll play with all of these, but this is what you should be getting. And in the next video, we will use these commands in a command prompt to continue on with learning about Git.